fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look.
Hey everyone, it's your girl NueNew The Hair Diva, and I am back with you to do a how-to marbleized nail video. Now, this was a requested video from me on how I create my own marbleized look. I said it was extremely easy, and I wanted to come in just to show you guys how you can do it if it is a nail design that you would like to do. You can do it on short nails or long. Either way, all you need is a few items. So some of the polishes that I'm going to be working with is this OPI nail polish here, and this is called Taupe-Less Beach. I'm going to be using this Ruby Kisses nail polish that you see here, and this is called Mickey Mouse Me. The next Ruby Kisses polish that I'm using is called Sandy Beach. And the last color that I'm going to be using from Ruby Kisses is Pitch Black Darkness. Okay, so I am going to be using this little stick here with a false nail on it so that you can see me do the design a little better. So I'm going to tighten in the shot just to make it a little easier to see. Alright, I have the OPI nail polish base on here. That's what you want to do. You want to start off with your main color just to have the nail covered. You can do this regular without a polish, but I like to make sure that there is a base color on the nail. Now what you want to do is open up your bottles of the next 3 colors. So you can use a total of 3, 4, 5 colors, whichever you feel as though will be easy for you to do. And you can choose any colors that you like. They can be pastels, they can be dark colors, but I like to use the medium tones so that I can see it a little better. So what I'm going to do is start off with the dark color first. And you're going to open up your bottle, take the brush, and wipe off as much polish as you can on the brush so that it's not dripping. Then you want to come to the nail and you just want to sweep across the nail like that, making sure you get a good amount of polish on there, but not too much to where the whole nail is covered. The next color I'm going to take is the Sandy Beach, and I'm going to repeat the same thing. Brush off the polish get the polish off the brush, excuse me, and I'm going to go across the nail, just sweeping back and forth over what I already did to get a result like that. The next color I'm going to use, Mickey Mouse Me, this pink color here, and we're going to repeat that, just going across the design. So as you can see, it's starting to cover up pretty much that base color. So we're going to do this once again. Wipe the brush off as much as you can. And this time, when you sweep across, don't do as much. Maybe 3, 4 sweeps across as possible. Next lightest color. As you can see, that's what it's starting to look like. And then we're going to use the pink once again. Now, as you can see, the pink and the black is being shown the most. So we're going to take that lightest color, Sandy Beach, and this time we're going to just go over edges, kind of like that, putting in some lighter colors. So that's what the nail is going to look like. A little there. And you also want to cover the edges. I don't want this to come off. So that is what the nail is going to look like. And like I said, you can use this with any colored nail polish that you choose. And to me, it looks marbleized based on the color choices. You can also take a nail striping brush and create some darker lines as veining within the nail. But pretty much the basics to it is to have you a base color down, 3 other polishes, usually a light, a medium, and a dark. You just want to wipe the excess polish off of the brush, sweep it across the nail for each color, and you can go in whatever order you want, light to dark or dark to light, and this is the result that you will get. To finish it off, you can always use a top coat. This is my favorite, the out the door top coat. Or if you want to make it last longer so you don't have any chipping, you can use a no white gel coat and just put it under the lamp for 30 seconds. And with this particular one I got from AliExpress, you do not have to remove any tacky layer because it is a no wipe top coat. Alright everyone, that is how to create NueNew's version of a marbleized nail. I thank the young lady that requested this video. And to everyone else, to all be blessed, wear your makeup, save your money, and NueNew will see you in a few days with the next video. Bye.
Girl, you can get it all day. Slow it down, let me get a replay. The way you just put it on me.